So we are solving 5 plus 1 times 3 and all over divided by 2 to the power of 1. Okay, so you might hear some birds chirping in the background. That's just nature joining our class. So 5 plus 1 equals 6 and times 3 and 2 to the power of 1, right? So 6 times 3 equals 18 divided by 2 to the power of 1 is not equal to 0. 2 to the power of 1 is not equal to 1. 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2, right? So 2 times 1 and 9, 18. So 9. But this is wrong. Why? Because multiplication must be done before addition, right? So multiply first, then plus. So 5 plus 1 times 3 equals 3 divided by 2 to the power of 1, right? Now 5 plus 3 equals 8 divided by 2 to the power of 1 equals 2, not 1. So 2 times 4 equals 8. So 4